In the ever-evolving world of culinary arts, there comes a point where tradition meets innovation in the most delightful ways. Today, we explore a fascinating intersection between technology and gastronomy, AI-infused desserts, sugar and spice with a digital twist. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is your personal pastry chef, crafting desserts that tantalize your taste buds while pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity. To begin our journey, let's delve into how AI is redefining dessert making. Artificial intelligence, often perceived as a tool for data analysis or automation, has seamlessly entered the kitchen. Leading chefs and culinary enthusiasts are embracing AI to enhance and innovate their dessert creations. With its ability to process vast amounts of data, AI can analyze flavor profiles, dietary restrictions, and even personal preferences to suggest unique combinations that might never occur to a human chef. Consider, for example, the classic apple pie. Traditionally composed of apples, sugar, and a dash of cinnamon, AI can suggest unconventional ingredients like cardamom or lavender, offering an unexpected twist that excites the palate. By analyzing thousands of recipes and user feedback, AI creates a database of flavors and textures, ensuring that each dessert is a harmonious blend of tradition and novelty. Now, let's wander into the realm of AI-generated recipes. Through machine learning algorithms, AI can generate original dessert recipes by learning from existing culinary data. One might imagine an algorithm sifting through centuries of dessert recipes, identifying patterns and combinations that frequently appear together. Then, with this wealth of knowledge, it produces a brand new recipe that aligns with modern trends or dietary needs. Moreover, AI's role doesn't stop at recipe creation. It extends to the precise execution of these desserts. For instance, smart ovens and appliances equipped with AI can adjust baking times and temperatures based on real-time feedback. This ensures that every soufflé is perfectly risen, and every batch of macarons has that elusive, delicate crunch. The integration of AI in desserts also opens the door to personalization on an unprecedented scale. Imagine ordering a dessert online and providing simple inputs such as your mood, favorite flavors, or even the weather outside. The AI system processes this information and suggests a unique dessert that is sure to satisfy your cravings. Whether it's a sun-kissed mango sorbet for a sunny day or a rich chocolate fondant for a cozy evening, AI tailors the experience to you. As we delve further into AI's culinary potential, we must also consider its impact on dietary health and sustainability. With growing awareness about nutrition and environmental concerns, AI can play a crucial role in creating desserts that are both delicious and healthy. For those following specific diets, whether vegan, gluten-free, or low sugar, AI can modify traditional recipes to align with these restrictions without compromising on taste or texture. Moreover, AI assists in addressing food sustainability by suggesting alternative ingredients that are more environmentally friendly. By analyzing data on ingredient sourcing, AI helps chefs choose options that reduce waste and carbon footprint, ensuring that indulgence doesn't come at the planet's expense. As we approach the conclusion of our exploration, it's evident that AI-infused desserts are not just a novelty, but a revolutionary step in the culinary arts. Embracing AI in baking and dessert making doesn't mean replacing the human touch, but rather enhancing it. The artistry of a skilled chef, combined with the analytical prowess of AI, creates culinary masterpieces that are both innovative and deeply satisfying. This digital twist on sugar and spice challenges our perceptions and excites our senses. We find ourselves in a world where the familiar and unfamiliar coexist, where every bite of an AI-inspired dessert tells a story of discovery and possibility. As technology continues to advance, so too will the desserts we enjoy, each a testament to human ingenuity and our unending curiosity. In closing, AI-infused desserts serve as a reminder of how far we've come and where we might be headed. As we savor each sweet creation, let us appreciate the blend of art, science, and tradition that brings these unique treats to our tables. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey through the world of AI and desserts. Until next time, may your culinary adventures be as extraordinary as the desserts you discover.